What is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, and in this video I'm going to teach you guys what functions are in Python. So with that said, let's get right into it. So to create a function, I'm going to use a comment to explain this. Is you need to write the def, or the define keyword, and then that's what it's called, define, but you write def for define, and then you write the name of the function, so function underscore name. Then you have two brackets, and then you have your arguments, right? So I can have arguments. It's going to be like a bunch of arguments. You can have like argument 1, right? I'm just going to say arg, argument 2, argument 3, etc. Then you have a colon, and then you're going to indent, and that's where the body function is. So you know how we add like if statements, you write something, if this is true, right, you do this, right? And notice how it automatically indents for me. Same thing with the function. So what you do is you do something with the arguments, right? And then you return the arguments, right? Okay, so that's basically what a function is. So I could have add, right, x and y, and I could return x plus y. Now, I could do something like this. Sum equals, right, x plus y, right? And then I can return the sum, right? What's going on here? So we have two arguments, x and y. They can be anything, right? We want to do it with numbers. You can also add strings and return the sum. So now, if I do add 3 and 5, what do you think is going to happen? It should be 8, right? Oh, I don't see anything. Well, that's because we need to print it out. Wait, it's returning the sum. So this is actually 8, but we can't see it because we're not printing it out. So you have to print this out in order to see it, right? And notice I have the value of 8, right? The reason why we're printing is because this is giving us the value 8. In order to see it, we're printing it. I can do the same thing with a bunch of other things. And notice I don't have to do it this way. I don't have to create a variable sum. I can just return x plus y, right? And I can do subtract x, y, can return x minus y, define multiply x, y, right? And I can just do the multiplication operation. So notice this will add any two numbers, subtract, multiply any two numbers. Doesn't matter what the letter is. We're just using x and y for this example. And with that said, those at a very basic level, that's what functions are. I will see you guys in the next one.